If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. With the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and... So first to the face, I heard the voice, you don't know say a KOGENCY for the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have 156 MadMax with Bine. No. Bro, I totally even forgot that MadMax was fresh home, you know. Not fresh home. But you know what I'm saying? I forgot that MadMax is home. And he's making music again. And he's, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know. And then I saw this pop up on my homepage, and the thumbnail is a sweet one with her back 50% in the thumbnail. I'm like, all right, dog. You know me, and the sweet ones already, bro. Once the sweet ones are there, you know what I'm saying, I'm popping up. And once violence is there, bro, violence and sweet ones, and bro, I'll be there eventually. Hey, yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the motherfucking comments. You understand me? All the comments. Fuck. But yo, man, I don't have nothing to say, dog. I just want to jump in at my youth. You understand? Oh, yeah. Bro, Nita MB. Can you just make music again? Just, please, that, like, alright. At least just do like a appearance on like a 156 cipher. Where you have about like 5 man. Probably all when 63. We do a 156 cipher. And then, you know what I'm saying, get Nito and for do a one verse. But God, I know that. Man, just stop making music, so. Nah, bro, that can't go on. But anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments, and let's go. Can't believe the man stopped making music, star.
JS back with a banger.
JS back with a banger.
Yo, Aaron, that's
Gang shit.
Fam,
Niggas know.
are they all wearing the same shoes?
Yo, Aaron, that's
Gang
Fam, that's how you know I don't know anything about fashion, bro. I don't even know what type of shoes these are. These like Balenciagas or something?
shit. Niggas know.
Niggas know.
56. Squad.
Gang. Zach Grab,
To the
look at the
fucking
sweet
front.
one.
Get me.
Aye.
Fuck all the ups. Free all the
Fuck
ups.
all the ups.
Get me. Niggas
Free
know
them.
what I'm smoking up.
Oh,
Get me.
I ain't smoking on that though. Not me.
Rules in the 9 in the ride, they don't wanna see my guys. Pull
Hey.
up outside, that you got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine. Rules in the 9 in the ride, they don't wanna see my guys. Pull up outside, that you got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine.
God.
On the MP straight on my shavers, wrong moving it.
That's his hook. And you got filled with Bine. Bro, that is violent. That is violence if I've ever seen it before.
Smoking
Or heard it.
Get me.
What? Talk again.
Listen. Rules in the 9 in the ride, they don't wanna see my guys. Pull up outside, that you got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine.
Pow, pow.
Rules in the 9 in the
Ride.
ride, they don't wanna see my guys. Pull up outside, that you got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine.
You know, it's just a quick little hook. It's not the best hook, but it's a quick little hook. So I'm not beat it too bad.
With Bine. On the MP straight on my shavers, wrong moving, they're gonna get tapered. The man cut you on the ends on peds and don't hop off with the shavers. Countless times man's been on the glide trying to hit a boy up with the stainless. That boy nearly lost his life 2 times, next time he's gonna be Asian. Up front in the
Jesus.
field like Messi, how many man got dipped like Tetley? I got my wings on my side to assist me, that's Walcott or Thomas Rosiski. When I step in, splash shots there, get frisky. She looks sexy when she counts my 100. I might be a bit tipsy, 22 shots that will hit kidneys.
Oh, I like that still. I like the verse though. And the hook, I'm not the biggest fan of the hook, but I like the verse though.
Like fries, his head got filled with
Bye.
MP straight.
How can I say I don't like it when I'm singing it? I mean, I like it, but it's not like, you know, yeah.
On my shavers, wrong moving, they're gonna get
David.
tapered. The man cut you on the ends on peds and don't hop off
With the shavers.
Countless times man's been on the glide trying to hit a boy up with the stainless.
Stainless.
That boy nearly lost his life
Life.
2 times, next time he's gonna be
Ancient.
Asian. Up front in the field like Messi, how many man got dipped like
Man said he's gonna be ancient, you know? Ancient, man.
2 times, next time he's gonna be Asian. Up front in
Hey.
the field like Messi, how many man got dipped like Tetley? I got my wings on my side to assist me, that's Walcott or
Thomas Rosicky, bro. Thomas Rosicky stopped playing for Arsenal for time now. But yeah, big up Thomas Rosicky.
How many man got dipped like Tetley? I got my wings on my side to assist me. That's Walcott or
Thomas
When I
Rosicki.
step in, splash up, say I get frisky. She looks sexy when she counts my hundreds. I might be a bit tipsy. 22 shots that will hit kidneys. Rules in the line of the ride. They don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. And you got smoke like fries. His head got filled with Bine. With Bine. Rules in the line of the ride. They don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. And you got smoke like fries. His head got filled with Bine. With Bine. I know a boy trying to make him
I mean, alright, third time hearing it, it's actually not that bad. I kind of like it still. Let me hear it one more time to see if I actually like it though.
I got my wings on my side to assist me.
That's Walcott Thomas Rosicki.
Step in, splash up, say I get frisky. She looks sexy when she counts my hundreds. I might be a bit tipsy. 22 shots that will hit kidneys. Rules in the line on the ride. They don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. You got smoke like fries. Head got filled with Bine. With Bine. Rules in the line on the ride. They don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. You got smoke like fries. Head got filled with Bine. With Bine. I'm not boy trying to make my statement. No hard feels, but man try shaving. The two was into the up block, but the ding dong turned off on the mainland. Ten step, me and bro still made it. Same way how we slang on trap on street, same way the up boys get shaved in. We got the ops on ropes, add chocolate to the rosé split.
The song was uploaded on November 30th. It is now December 1st, and the song is still up. Did you not hear what he just said? No, I don't want them to take it down, you know, bro, but the pattern is when you mention dead niggas and you don't censor the something, they take down the song. So I want to know how this still up. MadMax, you're better than PC Anderson. You're better than... Alright, dog. It look like PC Anderson can't tell MadMax nothing, dog. So me not gonna tell him nothing. You're mad. Let me go. Put on back my glasses, yeah? Before MadMax come look for me. MadMax, say what I say, yeah, man. I'm not gonna say those two names that you just said, but you know, continue.
Street scene with the up boys get shaved in. Come on. We got the ops on ropes, add chocolate to the rosé split. We take off blocks, blatant. Now we got all of the up boys hating. I got to shout out my RCGs. Aye. Left on pavement, so blocks like CIDs. And my rumbles got get bleached.
Fam, is there a nipple out?
Pavement, circle blocks like CID.
Is this 1080? Can I get it 1080? No, I can't. Fuck.
And my rumbles got get bleached.
That's an areola. Body, do you like areola?
Down in the ride, they don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. That you got smoke like fries. Head got filled with Bine. With Bine.
You see, even though I know, you know what I'm saying, he doesn't say the name, so I can still, you know what I'm saying. But when the man said, I'm not even going, you know, just continue.
Up outside that you got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine. With Bine. Rules in the line on the ride, they don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. You got smoke like fries, his head got filled with Bine. Pow. Caramel Barbies loving the set. I remember them old school days, one push back, two man on peds. Would've dropped that day, I don't know how these guys love talking my set. But how many man's been paid and put on the Get West London Gazette. Man still two step.
Man get put on the Gazette.
How many man's been paid and put on the Get West London Gazette.
Oh, that's disgusting. There's what I'm saying, get wish well or get what?
Don't know how these guys love talking my
they made it to the newspaper.
How many man's been paid and put on the Get West London Gazette.
Get West London Gazette. I don't even know, man. Did he get I think the Gazette is a newspaper though, right? Yeah, I'm sure.
Man still two step. Fill up the mash with lead, smoking kill so don't get catched. The bad little bitch wants do me in chems. In the full door to the smoke condemn. Three bros sits out the rust like pen, man. Back it and slap it again. Swerve and then from my shank don't bend, man. Back it and crash it and pray to a pen.
Ooh, yeah, those last 4 bars is mad.
Man still two step. Fill up the mash with lead, smoking kill so don't get catched. The bad little bitch wants do me in chems. In the full door to the smoke condemn. Three bros sits out the rust like pen, man. Back it and slap it again.
360.
My shank don't bend, man. Back it and crash it and pray to a pen. Moving the line on the ride, they don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. You got smoke like fries, head got filled with Bine. With Bine. Rules in the line on the ride, they don't wanna see my guys pull up outside. You got smoke like fries, head got filled with Bine. With Bine.
Aye. Got filled with Bine. Aye. And I do it with time. Aye. And I do it with style. Aye. Aye. Don't lose your eye. I need to stop that. It's all that drill, bro. Russ and E1 keep talking about losing eyes all the time, fam. It's just getting into my brain. But yo, MadMax with Bine. The first time, no, tell you something. So, first time I heard the hook, like at the start, I was like, not really a fan. But then the more I heard it, I was like, it started getting more catchy, and it's really the ending. It went by, with the ride, like it's bad still, like it have a vibe after a while. Not even after like the second time I hear it, I was like, yeah, it's actually nice still. And then the verses, not the best MadMax verses, right? But we still got some bars where we're like, huh? You know what I'm saying? And we got some flows too in there as well. So, you know what I'm saying? So, not the best MadMax work that we've seen or heard before, because I don't think I've done a solo MadMax thing on my channel. But I always listen to MadMax with the 156 niggas, so it's not the best I've heard from him. But you don't know, it's still good. So, check it out. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the motherfucking comments. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah.
Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.